Google Ads tutorial. How to use Google Ads. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Google Ads. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, so as you can see, I'm on their website called ads.google.com, and now once you're over here, all you got to do is just simply click on start now. And it's pretty simple to do. Since this is a Google website, all you got to do is just simply go ahead and click on sign in button. I will say you will need to add your payment methods as well. So there are a couple of ways to do this. Either you just simply go ahead and create a Google account and don't go ahead and create a campaign, or you can go ahead and create an account and create a campaign altogether. So let me just show you what I mean. So I think I've already created an account. So let me click on start now and see. So as you can see, it's loading up right here. And over here, they're going to ask you, do you have any Google accounts or would you like to create one? Over here, you can go ahead and create one, or you can go ahead and switch one. So let's go ahead and click on new Google Ads account and see what we get. There are a couple of ways to do this beforehand. Over here, as you can see, they're asking us to go ahead and add the simple information like, our business ads information, create your ads and set a budget, right? So over here, you can go ahead and create your first campaign. If you don't want to create a campaign, what you can do is over here, they usually give you an option to just simply go ahead and bypass this. But currently, I think I don't have that. Usually they have like a small little like this link type of buttons, which is hard to see. So because they don't want you to skip this process. But yeah, you could usually can skip this process and go into the ads account and set up whatever you need. But let's say we are here to create the ad. So first things first, add your business information, right? Link your accounts, create your campaign, and enter your payments details. So first thing, what is your business name? And over here, you're going to be able to add your website if you have one. If you don't have one, you can select call my phone number. If that's not it, you can just simply add your app download page over here. So let's say we have a website and we want people to go over there. So we're going to go ahead and add the name of the website, Urban Threads, and over here we'll add the URL. So after adding in our URL, click the next button. It's going to review the URL. It's going to find all the products within that URL, and then it's going to go ahead and ask us to link our account. So you have two options. You can either go ahead and link your Google Merchant account and add your phone number, or what you can do is you can link your other accounts like a YouTube channel, mobile app, or Google business profile if you have it. If you want, you can skip this step, but it's better to go ahead and do this. As you can see, I've already connected it over here with my Shopify account. It's actually pretty simple to do. So you just simply click on the link button over here. And over here, we already have installed the Google Merchant into the Shopify account if that is what you were looking for. And the quickest way to do that is by installing the application known as Google in YouTube. So as you can see, I've already installed it. And you can just simply go into the app section over here and click on all recommended apps and click on Shopify App Store. Find the application right here in the App Store and just search for Google, and you will find Google and YouTube right here, and then you can just simply go ahead and install it. And once it's installed, just simply open it up and give it a couple of seconds to load up over here, and you can just simply go ahead and click on the connect button right here. As you can see, I've connected it to my account. Over here, it's telling us to connect the Google ad conversion measurements. Looking to set up the analytics as well, so you can get started over there. And as you can see, I've already connected the merchant as well right here, as you can see. So it's good. Once it's connected, we can move on. So I'm going to open up right here, click on next, click on submit. Our Google Merchant account is now linked over here. It'll automatically detect it once you've connected it from the website. And then you can just simply go ahead and add your phone number. So as you can see, you use Australian 041 to let people call from your ads. Over here, you can add the number right here. If this is the number, just simply click on done and you should be good to go. And then you can click on next or skip this, and you can do this later, but I recommend it's better to just do it right now. And then over here is your goals. So here you can go ahead and choose a goal for your campaign. And as you can see, this is what I was telling you about. If you're not ready for a campaign yet, you can just set up an account and only, then you can go ahead and set your campaign later. But since we're already here, let's go ahead and choose our goal for this campaign. So the goal for this campaign over here depends on what it is that you want to do, right? If you want to increase your purchases, click on this one. If you want more phone calls and more leads, then use these options. If you want someone to come over to your page, increase views, or an article or a product page, click on that. And if you want brand awareness, then you can select this one. If you don't see options over here, click on see more and you will find more options right here. As you can see, sales is going to be over here. Begin checkout, purchase subscriptions. Leads are over here. promotions over here and purchases as well. But let's say we want views, all right? We want someone views a key page, right? We want someone to come over here onto our website and view our page. Then we'll just enter the URL of the page that you want people to visit. Click on add the URL as well. But if you want to set manually, I recommend not doing that. Just simply go ahead and add, click on the enter URL option and add your URL, and then click on next. And over here, as you can see, this is the goal. Then we have to add the search themes, create the ad, set the bidding strategy, and set budget, and we should be good to go. At that, we just enter in the payment method, and our campaign will be ready. Also, make sure to enter the sub page. I forgot to mention that. That's why it didn't work. But enter the sub page and then click next, and it's going to take you over to the next part of the campaign. Now, here is where you add the search themes, right? So define who should see your ads. So you can add search themes over here. You can add location and English as well. So over here, you can add search themes. So what are some words or phrases people use when searching for your product or service, right? So just add similar searches that are related to your product. So for example, let's say this is the product right here. Mine is the ceramic waterfall incense burner. So we'll just add some specific words that are related to it. So let's say ceramic waterfall incense burner. This is a good one. Of course, this is the title. So we'll add that over here. That's one search. And we'll add best incense burners right here. So after you've added some of these options, and then you just set the location where you want people to, be able to view it, and then click on next. And once you've clicked on next, we'll move over to the next step where we create the ad. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, ad strength is poor. We need to have it at least 80 or 90. Currently it's bad. Right here is the ads preview, how it would look like when they're viewed on page. So on a YouTube, this would look like this. On Gmail, it would appear over here. It's currently loading up because we haven't added anything. But yeah, let's go ahead and add it. So we have our URL over here. We need to add the headline best describes the product or service or unique. So make sure that we have to add the main listing right here into our headline. Right here is the all products. We just use all product or use a selection of products. If we use a selection of product, then we'll have to go ahead and select what type of product it is. So let's say it's home and garden, and it's more of a mature audience. Like, I think old people like to have incense burners in their home. So we'll do that, and anything else that, associates with it. And then just simply click on save. And then down below, we'll add the headline. So this is the headline, shorten the headline a bit. So waterfall incense burner. Let's see what that looks like. That looks good. All right. Headline 2 will say ceramic incense burner, and headline 3 will be incense burner right here. And over here, it will say that, they're quite similar. So we need to go ahead and change up some of the headlines, but we'll do that later. Then over here is going to be long headlines, and then the description of the product as well. So as you can see over here, once we've done all of this, our ad strength will increase and we should be good to go. If you click over here, it will tell you what it is. So ad strength is indication of the relevance and the diversity of your ad combination. So keep that in mind. As you can see, currently we don't have any domain as well, which could also affect it, but it depends on you. Then you just add the images of your product. So right here, these are some of the images. So we'll just select these images right here of our product, and we should be good to go. And right here is the logo. So we can add our own logo if we have them. If not, we should be good to go. These are the asset libraries over here. Here is the website and social, and here you can upload your own logo. And I think we should be good to go. So as you can see, I've added a bunch of headlines and long descriptions as well. And currently we've done the images, we've added the products and description, but it's telling us to add 7 more headlines in order to reach the excellent state. That will be it. But I think this is good for now. After all, this is just an example, but you can do it and you can add more headlines and examples to best describe your product, right? So now that we've done that, we'll move on to the next option. Over here, you have some ad features that can add more clicks to your ad. So if you want, you can go ahead and do that. But if not, you can just skip it and click on next. Next is going to be where we go ahead and set the bid strategy. So here is where you go ahead and set your budget and how much you want. Okay, so it's telling me that we need to fix some issues. So over here, we have to add at least one logo. So let me go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, you will see that your strength will be increased, and then you can go ahead and finish up. You can add some videos as well, and you should be good to go. So over here is videos. If you click over here, you can add a video for your product. Currently we don't have any, so if you want, you can go ahead and upload your own video. You can add site links as well, and then you can add a call to action button, and you should be good to go. And then just simply click on next, and we can move on. And over here we have to set a strategy, right? What do you want to focus on? Conversion value depends on you, right? Conversions are actions on your website, app, or store that you define, or conversion value. Conversion values is a value that you associate with action taken on your webpage. So it depends on you what you want. And once you've done that, just select a target that you want to return on the ad spend. Let's say we select conversion, and then we have to get a CPA, which is going to be cost per action. So it's going to cost us whatever action that the user performs, right? So whenever a customer performs an action onto our website, it's going to cost us. So let's go ahead and select the amount over here. So we have to enter in the amount. Now I can't do the USD, so let's say it's $10, right? Which is going to be approximately this amount. And then we'll click on next. And once we've done that, over here, you're going to have to set a budget, right? This is the recommended budget. Currently, this is going to be the average daily budget, which is around $10. And this is going to be the weekly budget. So that's around $60, I believe, $60, $61, something like that, right? And you can set a custom budget if you want. It depends on you. But once that's done, once you've set up a budget, click on the next one, and we can enter our payment details, and we are good to go. And that is how you can set up your Google Ads account, and that is how you can set up your ads campaign as well. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.